Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. In our last lecture, we created a gear pump in SolidWorks, and here in this lecture, we will create 2D drawing for all the parts in one sheet. See, in other sheet, this is the assembly details, but here we will create each and every parts drawing separately so that we will understand how to create a drawing in SolidWorks. I hope you like it. So let's start to create this one. This is the gear pump which we created in our last lecture. We made all the parts and assemble it. Now we are going to make 2D drawing for all the parts. So let's see how to make drawing for this. So simply save it in any folder. Now drop down the menu of this folder, make drawing. Even though you can do it from file folder, make drawing from assembly. Once you click assembly, it will ask you sheet format size. There is a standard sheet size or show only, but I always keep only show standard format so that I'll get some standard pages. So let's say anything, I'm going to choose A3 size ISO standard. You will see the sheet size. Okay. Now this is our sheet format. Now the first part is comes here assembly. So let's create a start front plane. Now section view we will create 3D let's create this one, or even though you can create, click this one. Now first I'll change, okay, keep high quality. Custom unit you can change it from here 3. Okay, that seems better. This one delete this section and we will isometric exploded view. Drag, drop, click high quality, see display style, and here also we will change 3. See, it looks more visible. Now for this, if you click, you can choose hidden line visible, section view. Here select vertical section view and select any circle point, and if you click point it will appear like this. Say OK, auto hatching, and OK. Now let's say that's it. Okay, whatever things we need, just do it. Then projected view, if you can make top view also, you can define like this. Okay, now here we will not going to define any dimension or anything. Like right click, or even though you can choose the file, and here you will find one option. If you go to annotation, you will find auto balloon. If you click auto balloon, see, say here OK. Now you will be find the dimensions. Now let's assign those all dimensions in, drag it here. Okay. Now if you want to make table for this, right click, table, bill of material. Now it's come here, say top level only. If you say OK, see, now you have to adjust this somewhere. Let's, we will reduce this size so that it seems more visible. Okay, now right click on this one and delete table or column. So this is column, so let's delete column. Okay, now this is the things what we Now here you will get all the parts name and quantity. Fasteners are 14 numbers and all are single piece. That's it. Now let's save this one. Gear pump assembly drawing. Now let's make another part. So if you click here add sheet at left bottom, see the new sheet comes. But here you will find only assembly drawing. So we need to import all the drawings one by one. So just go to window, gear pump assembly. Now housing open. See housing opens. Now again go to assembly, click cover, here pop up window open. Again go to assembly, third connector open. If you click all the parts, assembly, fourth open part, go to sheet metal, sheet part. Now here you will see, if you go to drawing and here at top you will see, even though you can refresh it and you will see all the options. So first option housing. Now housing comes here. See, it's so simple. Now drag. First we will place housing here. 2D dimension, custom sketch, 3, okay. It is not yet changed. That's it. Now you can just okay, here we will try to add only 2 views. So the next thing we will apply section view, vertical. Let me choose this point, say okay, and drag here. Okay. Now there is one option, model item. If you click model item, select this 2 faces, it will ask you to add dimension. Say yes, say yes. See, automatically it will add your dimensions. No need to define anything separately. You just drag and fix on the particular location. If you click this geometry, click hidden line. Now here all the visible lines are visible. Whatever dimension you need, you can keep here, or either you can delete it if you don't like, or even though you can add it if whole call out, click this one and you will see throughout whole, or not this one. Okay, let's this one, and I'll apply on this hole. See, 14 holes, 5 dia, depth 20. So this is the way you can add dimensions. Okay, now add projected view, click on this one. It will ask you, click here, drag it in some places, shaded with edge, keep high quality. Okay, now one dimensions be created. Okay, let's import other. Now here click cover. See, now cover, let me drag here. Okay, let's better to make views also. And okay, Now click parent, because the first part always parent. Now see, it is not going to move up and down because it is aligned with this body. So right click, go to alignment and break alignment. Now it's not aligned with this body. First I'll change custom image, custom size 3. That's perfect. Model item, say okay. Yes. So this one is allocated dimension. Here we have one option, hole callout. So if I'll choose, okay, let's say this hole. Now this is the important dimension for this. There is a counter bore hole. So this is the dimension for counter bore hole. If you go to other, here select format. So what will happen? Escape. This drawing's dimension will be black, otherwise other dimensions will looks like this. Let's make format. Okay, even though let's drag it somewhere. Even though if you want to allocate, click here, comes down dimension text. Before dimension you can allocate anything, or after dimension let's say millimeter. So it's going to add millimeter on for this. If you click this view, you will see one option here, import annotations. Dimension annotation include items. Okay, it's let's allocate manually. Section views are not shown, so click hidden. This one also click hidden. Okay, now see the hidden lines are visible. Now you can allocate the hidden line dimension. This is the cutout, the whole depth for this. And this is the radius, inside radius. No, not this one, dimension from here to here. Okay, press escape key to out of the dimension. Let's say third connector. I'll choose back. Now it is not fixed with this side and 3D section, say OK and drag this one here. Then click parent. This is the parent part which is going to custom scale. Three also not enough. Okay, 2 is perfect for the current situation. Model item, yes, so that it will import all the dimensions. Now again I'll click hidden lines. Okay, now this one I'll delete, and here I'll make section view for this. Section view, select vertical, and you will find one center point. Click, the window will pop up, say yes and drag. Okay, now manually you can define the dimensions. Now if you want to make this arrow inside, go to ladder and choose here inside. See, it looks better. In this case also inside. looks better. A smart dimension, and let's define the dimensions for this. Now dimensions for this. Now here click and you will see decimal point. We need 3 decimals so that it looks full detail, full drawing numbers. Now see, this all drawing seems gray. So click, go to other, and here one option layer. Click format, say OK. Now all become dark. This one click shaded view, keep high quality so it looks more sharper than. Okay. Now this one finish. So let's try shaft. Top view. I'll keep here. This is the parent, so custom scaling. Even though custom scaling also need to 1/2. Sorry. Okay, that's enough. Shaded view, high quality, and the smaller one just drag upside. Model item, say OK. Now see, the dimensions are, even though you can apply manual dimensions. Actually it is let's allow like this. Even though if you want to change the diameter to radius, so you have one option here. See, even if you want to change arrow or anything like this, see, radius, diameter, whatever it suits you. This is the distance 9.5 from center point. This is here 5.32. If you go to 3 decimal, okay, this is some missed dimension, but that's the thing. Now let me choose all dimensions. I'll go to other, format. Okay, let's try some more. Now already go to window, go to assembly and shaft. Then let's bush open, assembly, then bush with second bush open, assembly, seal open, pin open, go to sheet. Now here if you go and you will see here all the things are attached, bushed with seal. So let's say this, drag here, Okay, let's make bigger. This is the parent drawing, hidden view, section view 2. Even though 2 seems also a smaller one, but that's the need. Okay, that's fine. Section view. Click here horizontal, drag, say yes, and drag downward side. Okay. Now click this part, shaded view, keep high quality, okay. Now right click on this. If you want to zoom or rotate, click rotate view, and here you will find the options. So even manually you can rotate according to your demand. Here say apply, close. That's it. In annotation there is a center line. If you want to apply center line between these two, see, it's yes, center line. Let's say our model item, let's select both the drawings. Now this is the main drawing which we applied before, so I'll select this one, header inside. Then it's easy for us to allocate on proper. That's it. Even though you can change the decimal point also none, so that you get perfect. Okay, so this is the second bush. Let's bring pin here. Pin might comes here. Okay, pin we have to fix here, top view. Sorry. To projected view, and see it's up and down wherever you keep. Okay, section view. This is isometric view, so keep down. Shaded view, keep high quality. Okay, now this one you can simply import annotations, design, item, everything you can include it, so you will get the dimension here. This is corner radius. Even though you can apply directly dimensions through annotation. Okay, this things finish. Let's see what else balance. Drop down and bush. Okay, we will adjust top. Escape tool, then inside cost to enter. Okay, that's 1.5 1. Okay, this is the sufficient space what we have. Section view. Now this time we will choose vertical, and I'll select center point, say yes, and drag it here. Even though projected view, let's say this Okay, now drag this one here, shaded view, high quality. Okay, right click and zoom and rotate, so click rotate view. Or we will cancel it, and projected view we will use this one. Okay, this one seems better. Okay, now here we will apply center line, so it eases our. Okay, now if you click on the line, you can drag it as your requirement. Now click on this. If you comes down here, it will ask you import annotations, design, drawing, everything. If not, then model, say yes. See, you can define the dimensions according to your need. Okay, this is the dimensions. Now the let's check the next last part is seal. Front, where we will fix here. Okay, and right, say okay. This is the our. Now click this one. No need to define any hidden line, but that's fine. 4, this one, shaded view, high quality. Okay, I'll select this one, model item, say okay, yes. So whatever dimensions, okay, let's click center mark and I'll select this one. See, it's going to add its center lines. See the outer thickness, inside diameter, vertical length, and even though let's add. Okay, so now we finished. Now here we created two sheets. One we did assembly, overview of assembly. Even though if you want to change, right click edit sheet. Now here let's say title, gear pump drawing. Okay, you can change this one. Now other things you can even click note, drag the things, and you can create your notes, CAD CAM tutorial. You can change color even, let's say 4. So these are the things where you can edit your sheet. Say okay. Once you say okay, it will edit. See, it's edited. So here we fix all the drawing in one line. So here we finished all our drawings. Now let's add some file names so that identify, click note, and if you try to put note, it will give you pink border so that it will allocate inside this border. If you move this one also moves. So I'll click here. This is the part 1, housing. Okay. Now if double click, you can edit it. Let's say bold, or let's say color change blue, unit let's say 5, that's it. Underline, no, does not look better. Uncheck. Okay, now let me add some. We are not going to add for all, but wherever is space available we can. Part 2, this is cover, bold, let's say red. This is part 8 pin. Escape. In the same way you can apply to all the parts. Let's try the third part here. This is the third part connector. Now we have no space to just bold, color red, cancel, escape key. Now out of this. So this is how we created a 2D drawing with the help of assembly in SolidWorks, and we learned many things in drawing, and we created make all the drawings in one sheet. So this is good for the communication. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share, like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.